What do you say?
Moopy.
What is this?
Zappy.
What's it called?
Zappy.
Say orange.
Oat.
What is it?
Oat.
It's an orange. Okay.
Dice.
Hold on.
We would.
I gotta cut a piece for you. What do you say?
Moopy.
What is it?
Apple.
No. What is it?
Oat.
Orange. Pull it off. Here you go. Put it in your mouth. Wait. I gotta cut a piece for you. There you go. Yummy. Uh-oh.
Three dice.
What is it?
Oat.
Orange. Can you say yummy?
Yummy.
Hold on, honey. Eat what's in your mouth. What do you say?
Moopy.
More, please. Can you say thank you, too?
Moopy.
Thank you.